What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We got the Birria tacos going on. So there's that. Got some rice. Here's the consomme. And there's what the tacos are looking like. I'll show you my plate, okay? Then we got cilantro, onions, limes, salsa, mozzarella, or Oaxaca, if you want to use that, same thing, and some chips and salsa. Mukbang part of this.
Sound right, boy.
Dip it in the sauce. Yeah. OMG. So delicious. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Just another excuse to party in this country. With some delicious Mexican food and cerveza.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
There you go, you guys. Real Chronic Eats. You nailed it. So good, you guys. So what are you doing today? Cinco de Mayo. Special. guys, just want to bring you that for Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world. All that cringy YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Chronic Eats out. Have a good one. Peace.